Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Today's video Dai Gao Zhang and Chen Fengtong Real Life Partner 2025. Full name Dai Gao Zhang. Nickname Little Dai. Profession Dai Gao is professional actor in the Chinese entertainment industry. He works primarily in television dramas, web series and period romances. Date of birth Dai Gao was born on June 18, 1996. Birthplace Dai Gao was born in China. Family background information about Dai Gao's family is limited as he tends to keep his personal life out of the public spotlight. It is believed that he comes from a sportive and close knit family background. Debut Daigo officially made his acting debut in the Chinese entertainment industry in the mid 2010. His earlier roles were primarily supporting character in web dramas. Rise to fame Daigo's rise to fame came gradually. He has transitioned from supporting roles to leading man status in web dramas and romantic series. Notable works among Daigao's notable works is the drama The Princess and the Werewolf, which brought him wide attention. He has also starred in the series like Fall in Love and Cute Bad Guy. His role in this series showcases his range. Work with Chen Fengtong. Daigao worked closely with actress Chen Fengtong in the popular historical romantic drama. Miss Chen is a litigator. Their on-screen chemistry was well received and fans praised their emotional connection and convincing portrayal of complex characters. Music career Daigo has not actively pursued a full-fledged music career. Reality shows Daigo has appeared in limited number of reality shows mainly to promote his dramas or connect with friends. Net worth as of 2025, Daigo's estimated net worth is believed to be around 3 to 5 million US dollars. Income sources Daigao's income sources primarily include acting fees from television dramas and web series, brand endorsements, event appearances, and promotional campaigns. Final note Daigo represents the new wave of Chinese actors who combine talent, dedication, and charm to create lasting impression in the entertainment world. Name Chen Feng Tong. Nickname Tong Tong and Little Fang. Profession Fang Tong is a professional actress in the Chinese television and web drama industry. She has made a name for herself by portraying sweet, intelligent, and emotional rich female leads in popular romantic and costume dramas. Date of birth Fang Tong was born on March 6, 1993. Birthplace Fang Tong was born in China. Family detail about Feng Tong's family background remains largely private, as he prefers to keep her personal life away from the media. However, she has occasionally mentioned in interviews that her family has been supportive of her acting career. Debut Feng Tong made her acting debut in the mid 2010, beginning with smaller roles in web dramas and sporting appearances in romantic series. Rise to fame Feng Tong's rise to fame came with her lead roles in well received historical and romantic web dramas. A major turning point was her performance in Miss Chun is a Litigator. Notable works Some of Feng Tong's most notable works include Miss Chun is a Litigator, which showcased her strength, My Dear Brothers, and Fall in Love. work with Dai Gaojiang. Feng Tongs collaborated with Dai Gaojiang in the successful costume drama Miss Chen is a Litigator, where they played opposite each other in lead roles. Their on-screen chemistry was a significant factor in the drama's popularity, with audience admiring their emotional performances and romantic tension. Music career. Feng Tong is not professionally active in the music industry. While she has a pleasant voice and may have participated in promotional content or drama themed songs, reality shows. Feng Tong has appeared in a limited number of reality or variety shows, mainly in the form of guest appearances to promote her dramas. Net worth. As of 2025, Feng Tong's its estimated net worth is around 2 to 4 million US dollars. Income sources. Feng Tong earns most of her income from acting in web dramas, historical series, and romantic television shows. She also generates revenue from brand partnerships, event appearances, and promotional campaigns. Final note, Feng Tong is shining example of talent, grace and determination in her competitive Chinese entertainment industry. Her journey from humble beginnings to becoming a beloved lead actress demonstrates her resilience and unwavering commitment to her craft. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.